What's up, guys? It's your boy Maurice Streets. What I want to do today is teach you how to go ahead and start making some money working online or having fun online, I should say. So, are y'all ready to get started making some real money online? Let's get it. Let's go. Now, the first thing you need to do is come to a site called clickbank.com and sign up. It's free to sign up. It's clickbank.com. It's free to sign up. Won't cost you a dime. And once you sign up, you want to come over to Marketplace. Click on Marketplace right here. And as you can see, once you click on Marketplace, guys, you can look over here to the left-hand side. You can see all the different products that you can promote. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do just a little secret in finding the best products to promote. You come over here and hit Find Products, see Find Product. You're going to click this icon right here, this Magnifying Glass, Magnifying Glass. You're going to click on this link right here. And what this link does is going to bring you to the top products the other affiliates are promoting. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a product on this page here that we can promote. Now, this is, we in February, so this will be a great time to promote this product right here. This is a flat belly tonic. So now, as you can look at the numbers here, gravity is 183, which is great. Average sales conversion. So to make $100 a day, all we need is one sale. That's right, one sale a day. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get that one sale. You hit promote, and then what we're going to do here, put Facebook. That way we can track it. So we need to know where the sale coming from. We're going to hit generate a hot link. And what this does is it's an encrypted hot link. So basically makes it. Now what this does, this right here links it back to you. Now when you sign up for an account, you should have got an account nickname. And that's going to be the nickname that links everything back to you. That's how you get paid. So make sure to test that out. When you, in the search engine, I'm going to show you now. Once we copy and paste that link, we're going to come over here and paste it right here. Make sure it's working. And you see the hot link right here, MRE601. So we know that we're going to get credit for it. And once they come over here to this site, drink this daily before 10 a.m., they're going to read this, they're going to see this, and and guess what they're going to do? They're going to buy the product. Yes, yes, yes. They're going to get it. So, okay. But, come over here. And what we want to do, we got a long link, right? So we're going to come to a site called Bitly. And what Bitly going to do is it's going to shorten that link for us. So we're going to come over here and hit create, which I already created, so I'm not going to go. But you'll paste that. I'm just going to go through the process. You'll paste that link over here, and you hit enter. And what that does, it creates this link right here. Now you can customize it. And you should put burn fat today. And then just copy that. Hit enter. Burn fat today. 601. And now, this is going to be our new link. Now we go over here, copy, hit copy. I come over here, paste in the search engine, and bam, there's our new link. Burn fat today, 601. Hit enter, and get bam, voila. Then you come back over here to Bitly, and you come over here, hit refresh, and you can see the burn fat today. We got one click. So now what we're going to do is come over here to Facebook. And once you're over here to Facebook, go to groups. search group for weight loss groups. Now, what you want to do now is simply come here, create a post. Let's say that's going to add value. I'm looking to lose weight. This is helping people find the fat. And then what we're going to do here, copy. And then we just post it in here. Now we don't want to, that don't be the first thing we want to post, but we want to do come over here, find about 5 different groups, and then just come in here and find different articles. What I would do is come over here and find different articles on weight loss. Or weight loss articles. And then find different articles. And what you'll do is here, post these different articles, ask questions, and then you come in about every 4 or 5 articles you find, then you post your link. And that's how you can make $100 a day, working 1 to 2 hours a day. Simple as that. Thank you. If you find value in this information, hit the subscribe button. Also, check out the link in my bio. It's going to help you also show you another way to make $45,000 working from home throughout the month. Peace.